Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete group in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app. Once the app is opened, click on the group you want to delete. Once the group is opened, click on the top group name. After this, swipe down and remove the participants one by one. Once you have removed all the participants, click on Exit Group. Then, click on Exit Group again. After this, swipe right and click on More. Then, it will show you a lot of options. Click on Delete Group. Then, click on Delete Group again. And that's how you delete group in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.